Did you know there's a platform that lets you access multiple AI models like GPT, Claude, Gemini, and more from just one API? That's right, you can use OpenRouter to bring multiple AI models together in one place. It's like a global gateway for AI models, offering more flexibility than using each provider directly. OpenRouter is model agnostic, meaning you can switch between providers without rewriting your code. Makes it perfect for automations and testing. Let's get started by creating an OpenRouter account. Head over to openrouter.ai and sign up with your email, GitHub, or Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Next, let's add credits. OpenRouter uses a pay-as-you-go system, so you only pay for what you use. Click Credits on the menu, then choose Add Credits. Choose your preferred payment option. After entering your payment details, set the amount of credits you want to add, and you're ready to go. The best part, you're never charged more than your top-up amount. Once your credits run out, requests to OpenRouter will simply stop with no surprise bills. And if you don't want your workflows interrupted, you can even enable auto top-up to keep everything running smoothly. Now, we'll generate an API key. Go to the Keys section, click Create API Key, and give it a name like n8n integration. Click Create to create API key. Copy it, but keep it safe. You'll need it soon, and it's like a password for your AI model access via OpenRouter. In this demo, I will show you how to use OpenRouter in n8n workflow. In n8n, you can connect to OpenRouter using the basic LLM chain, for example. Go to Basic LLM Chain and add the model. Next, select OpenRouter Chat Model. Create new credentials and paste your OpenRouter API keys. Once the credentials are configured, n8n will automatically test the connection to OpenRouter. Now, you can select the AI model you want to use in your workflow from the drop-down list. And that's it. You've set up an OpenRouter account, added credits, created your API key, and connected it to n8n. Now you can automate workflows with multiple AI models from single interface. In the next video, we'll explore real use cases where you can put it into action. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more automation tutorials.